Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a product from a company called AFBEST. Now AFBEST have been really nice and really kind to send me on some of the products over the past couple of weeks to give a try. And the first thing we have here today is the AFBEST Air Purifier. Now just to give you a bit of backstory as to why I asked for this particular product. First of all, I live in a house with animals. And secondly, the house that I live in at the moment suffers from a little bit of damp. So we have spots of the house where we occasionally get a little bit of mould. So I wanted to try a product which would perhaps solve the problem of both the smell that comes from the animals, the hair and the allergy issues that come from having animals in the house, and also to see whether or not it would solve the problem of the spotting of mould that we have in the house as well. Now the first thing that I noticed was it's fairly well packaged. The information that comes on the box itself is very clear in terms of its technical specification, as you can see here. And the box itself is fairly small and surprisingly light as well. Now I need to be honest and say that I've always been very sceptical about these kind of products, and I guess always felt that perhaps they were really just glorified fans. However, I've got to say this has absolutely changed my mind. I've been using this air purifier now for around 2 or 3 weeks, and I've had it in a room which has suffered the most, particularly from damp and also historical animal smells, or particularly dog smells as well. And I have to say that it has not cured the problem with the damp. However, it has absolutely helped with the problem that we have with the mould which comes from that. So if we look at taking it out of the box, you will first of all see it's, as I said, really well packaged. There's absolutely no chance of any damage happening to this in transit. And there we have it. So there's the purifier there. It is incredibly light, and I actually think in comparison to some of the other purifiers that are out there on the market, I would say that this one is actually relatively fashionable, as in it won't look out of place in any room. And if we look at everything we get in the box here, you get this little bag with everything such as your remote control, your instructions, and a really nice little touch, a little thank you card. Thank you from AFBEST for buying the product, which I think was a really nice touch. The remote control itself is fairly straightforward, fairly easy to use. There's only 6 buttons on it, and they're all fairly self-explanatory as well. And here we have this lovely little thank you card from the guys at AFBEST. And inside the thank you card is just a little bit of information as to how to contact the guys at AFBEST if you've ever got any issues at all. I found that their customer service has been absolutely first class. So here we have a look at the top of the air purifier. So we have the timer, the speed, the on-off button, mode, and child lock. Now, when you put it on auto, it will automatically detect the condition of your air and adjust the speed of the purifier in accordance to the quality of the air. Now, this particular air purifier comes with a 4-stage filtration filter. Now those 4 stages are a sterilisation filter, a true HEPA filter, an active carbon filter, and also a molecule sieve as well. Now this will give you the opportunity to hear how loud it actually is. And you'll see here it's actually not loud at all, it's incredibly quiet. Now you'll see there are 4 different speed settings. The first 3 you can set yourself during the day depending on the air quality in your room. However, what I tend to find works best is to simply put it onto automatic mode. Now, automatic mode will automatically sense the quality of air surrounding the device and adjust the speed accordingly. Now, this does absolutely work. I lit a match in front of my machine, and within 2 seconds it had booted up to the highest possible setting to clear that smell of smoke. So the machine itself is absolutely fantastic. The 4th setting you have is sleep mode. Now, you put this on at night time and you cannot hear it at all. It is absolutely silent, which again is absolutely fantastic. There are also 3 LED lights on the front of the device. These will indicate to you the quality of your air. If your air is particularly bad, that light will be red. If it is not great, it will be orange, and other than that, everything else is blue. So yeah, I've got to say, this really is a fantastic device. This will be great for clearing things in the air such as dust, pollen, smoke, bacteria, pet dander, and kind of just general odours as well. Now, you've probably gathered already, I absolutely recommend this product. You can get this on Amazon at the moment for around £116. However, if you click the link below in the description, there is a discount being offered by the guys at AFBEST just for subscribers to this channel. So a big thank you to the guys over there. As always, I just want to give a big thanks to everybody that supports this channel. If you currently subscribe, big thank you. If you don't, then please do feel to click the subscribe button or to click the like button. And as always, I hope to see you guys soon. We have some more AFBEST videos coming up in the next day or so as well, so stay tuned.